Let's create an epic foil balloon arch using our UGlu products. For this design, we will be using UGlu Dashes as well as UGlu Strips. They are the same product, but just in 2 different presentations, and you surely need both in your toolkit. After inflating our balloon, you're going to be using our dashes to cover the valves. Now to secure one balloon to the other, we're going to be using our strips on either side and on the center. This will help promote maximum stability, so don't skip out on this and don't use dashes for this part of the process. Make sure you align your balloons and attach them together like so. Depending on the dimensions you wish to make your arch, you're going to need a certain number of balloons. So just make sure that you account for all of your materials when you're doing your math. For this arch, we used 5 squares going up, going across, and going down on the other side, which made about a 7x7 structure. Now to secure this onto our structures, you can use a lamp base. We use a base and an EMT pipe for this, but we are using our Pro Duct 120 in white. Pro Tapes makes this product in a variety of colors, so you can be sure to match it to your desired decor. But for this opportunity, since we wanted you to see it, we used the white tape. Repeat the process over and over with the UGlu Dashes and Strips and your tape to create your structure. Now stick around for the final reveal, it's coming real soon. We created this beautiful installation using this technique. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below.